Alright. I've been missing a very important part of my modding repertoire until now. I don't have a knife to cut into it. I'm sure
Scissors
will do. Okay. There is not enough room here. Zooming out. I don't care if the desk gets in the way. Yep, seems very cool. Yeah, that works, I guess. Yeah? Yeah. I guess so. One moment. Yeah. How do I... Yep. Uh-huh. Okay, well... please keep this box. Torch the unbox. I've already unboxed it, bro. I'm just built like that, I guess. Okay, this seems to be the base of the printer. This is where the fun stuff happens, I think. Oh, it uses a PC power supply, that's crazy. Okay, I need the knife again. I need the scissors again. Okay, that's a whole lot of stuff I don't understand. This is where I use the tutorial. Alright, got the other phone. It's time to scan. Need the frame. That's this. There we go. Unleash your creativity. English, Europe. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi. My home Wi-Fi is... Very nice. I'll scan that and do it. Alright then. I finally got in after having to reset my password, and it looks like it wants to calibrate now. It gives me enough time to clean up my room. It's been a while, and I I think me and this 3D printer are gonna get along quite well. Did I buy a 3D printer or an angry child? It's not even... It stopped. Do something interesting. Oh, it's moving again. He's like trying to 3D print something right now. My brother in Christ, you do not have filament. My brother in Christ. The filament is over here. What are you trying to do? It stopped. Hello? Does the screen have anything to say? Toolhead cleaning. That makes sense, actually. Okay, now it's just figuring itself out. Here we are, calibration completed. And I'm all set to print. Later, please. Okay, now that's my that is my fucking Wi-Fi. Man, yep. Okay, I am going to, not yet. I'm going to move this into the other room, and then we will continue. Alright then, here we go. This should be good. It's time to lubricate and then print. Oh my god, this is making me go insane. It's shaking the whole damn cabinet.